Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use filters on Instagram. So actually it is very easy. First of all, you need to open Instagram, and here from your profile you need to click on the plus button in the top right corner to start making your new post. So I'll go with the post here, and from this interface you can just take a photo. For example, I will take now a photo of my Mac. So simply, as you can see, I took my photo, and here in the bottom I have some options. You need to choose filter one, as you can see, here it is, and now you can choose the filter that you like. So you can just go to fade, Paris, simple, Los Angeles, etc. And you can also modify these filters clicking on this little settings button right here. So you can increase the fade effect or just lower this effect. As you can see, there are plenty of effects here, and when you are done with your effect, you can go and click on the done button in the bottom and click on the next, click on the OK, and share this post with your audience. And basically that is it. That is how you can use filters on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.